page number 148. Okay. So now you can see here in your first picture, circle is there, then two triangles are there. After these two triangles, again circle is there, then again two triangles, then circle. Now we have to think that now after this circle, what should come? See here. Again we'll start. Circle is there, then two triangles. Circle, two triangles. Circle, then again there should be two triangles. Two triangles. Okay. So now what we will do? We will draw a triangle here. So children, you also have to draw a triangle in this box. Okay. So what is this? This is a pattern. This is a pattern. As I told you, pattern is a repeated arrangement of any shape, any number or anything. So repeated arrangement of shapes, numbers, objects, colors or any other thing is known as patterns. Is known as patterns. When we repeat something in particular order, that is known as patterns. Okay. So now next one, see, leaves are there, right? So you can see here how these leaves are kept. Okay, you can see here. First leaf is like this, second downside, then again it's upside, then next one again downside, and the next one again upside. So now how next leaf should be? Ada, you tell me how we will draw that leaf, next leaf.
Down, ma'am.
Down, yes. See here, children, you have to look at the pattern very carefully. And then you have to tell. That's correct, Adya. See here, this leaf was upside, then next one down. Then third one upside, see here. Then down, then up. Then again it should be downside. So here you have to draw a leaf. Only one leaf, okay? So I am also drawing and you people also try to draw. Draw a leaf like this. Okay. Now you have to see your next pattern, right? So in the first one, it looks like a circle. So three circles are there. Then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4 circles are there. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles are there. Again, we'll count and write. In the first one, how many circles are there? 3 are there. In the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Right. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are there. So in the next one, how many should be there? This is every time it is increasing by 1. It is increasing by 1. So this is 3, 4, 5. So after 5, what comes? What comes just after 5? That many circles we have to draw this time. So Azlan, you tell me, how many circles we'll draw now?
3.
No.
6.
Yeah, we'll draw 6 circles now. See here, children. First 3 circles are there, then 4 circles. After that, 5 circles are there. So it is increasing by 1. It is increasing by 1. This means we are adding 1 more every time. Right? So in the next one, there should be 6 circles. So we'll draw here 6 circles in this box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, children? Yes. Then next one. A flower is there. So now in this flower, we'll count the number of petals. Okay? So now see here, in the first one, in the first flower, how many petals are there? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many petals? 5 petals are there. Again, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 petals are there. In the next flower, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'll write here 5. Here, 4 are there. As we counted, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this one, next one, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write here 3. Excuse me. So now children, see here very carefully. This time it is not increasing. It is decreasing. It is becoming less by 1. It is decreasing by 1, or we can say it is becoming less by 1. See here. In the first one, 5 petals are there. Then in the second one, 4 are there. In the third one, 3 are there. So every time it is becoming 1 less. 1 less. So now we have to think what will be 1 less than 3. So what comes just before 3? We have to draw that many petals, because we have to think what is 1 less than 3. Right? Palvika, you tell me this time how many petals?
2.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. So see here children, this time how many petals we'll draw? We'll draw here 2 petals. So draw in your book. I'm also drawing here 1 and 2. Okay. Draw this fast. Okay, so I hope you all have completed. Is there anyone who is still drawing these patterns? Yes, children, is there anyone who is still drawing these patterns? No? Okay. Now, children, we'll move to next page. That is page number 149. I'll clear all this and we'll move to next page number. Page number 149. So now, okay, so see here. Now, children, come to page number 149 and you can see here on page number 149, 2 patterns are there. First one, a pattern on a leaf, and second one, zebra crossing on a road. Okay, so now see, I've told you that daily we come across many patterns, right? But we never notice them. So now today we'll try to notice some patterns. Okay, so see here children, a pattern can be natural or can either be natural or man-made. Natural means which is not made by human being, or man-made, which is not man-made. Like we have a pattern here on a leaf. See here children, trees and plants They have leaves, so many leaves, right? And on every leaf, there is some pattern. There is some pattern. You can see here in this picture also. These kind of lines are there. This kind of line is there in the middle of that leaf, and then some more lines are going there. You can see so many lines are there in a leaf, right? So this is a particular kind of pattern which we see on a leaf, right? And you can see man-made pattern which is made by man. You can see here, this is a zebra crossing which we can see on a road, right? And we use the zebra crossing to cross the road, right? So this is a man-made pattern. If a pattern is made by a human being or made by a man, then that pattern is known as a man-made pattern. So there are many man-made patterns and natural patterns. So I'll be sharing pictures with you just to get clear idea what is a man-made pattern and what is a natural pattern. Okay. A natural pattern is one which is not made by men. Okay. So now you have to tell me about this picture whether this is a man-made pattern or a natural pattern. Okay. Aditya Ram. Aditya Ram. Okay, children. So I'll share my screen. See here. Now you have to look at this picture and then you have to tell whether this is a man-made pattern or a natural pattern. Tanishka, you tell me, man-made or natural? Man-made pattern is a pattern which is made by man, and natural pattern is not made by man.
What is it?
See, tiles are...
Grass is national thing. That waltz is man-made thing.
But then you have to tell about this complete pattern, whether this is a man-made or natural.
Man-made.
Man-made, okay. Yes, P. Kartika?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, one more is there.
Are I'm asking about this pattern. Man-made or natural? AVK Ganesh, unmute yourself and you tell me. AVK Ganesh, man-made or natural pattern?
Magnet.
Man-made. Okay. Yes, Supratik?
Man-made. Man-made.
Man-made. Okay. Aryan, man-made or natural? Aryan?
Man-made.
Man-made. Okay. So children, see here, this is a man-made pattern. You can see here. This is a cemented floor. Yes, this is a cemented floor and then grass is there. So the cemented floor is made by man, right? So this is a man-made pattern. This is a man-made pattern. Okay, fine. Next picture. Yes. Next one. Tiger is there. Lohit, man-made pattern or natural pattern? See, there is a pattern. if you look at the picture of this tiger very carefully, you can see there is a particular pattern in its skin. Lines are there.
Orange and black is there.
Lohit, is it a man-made pattern or natural pattern?
Ma'am, your voice is stucking.
Krishika, you tell me.
That it has stripes. It has stripes.
Natural.
Natural.